Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore workflow clarity with Airtable Scripting, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Airtable account. Open the base where you want to restore workflow clarity. Navigate to the Automations tab on the left sidebar. Click on Create a new automation. Select when a record is created or when a record is updated as your trigger. Choose the specific table you want to monitor for changes. Next, click on Add an action. Select Run a script from the list of actions. The script editor will open. Here, you'll write your custom script. Begin your script by defining the input variables. Use the input.config method to set up parameters you may need. Specify the fields relevant to your workflow. Next, write the main logic of your script. Use conditional statements to manage the flow based on your conditions. Incorporate Airtable Scripting API to manipulate records as needed. Remember to include error handling to ensure smooth execution. Once your script logic is in place, click Run Test. Review any output or errors prompted during your test. If everything looks good, click Done. Toggle the automation from off to on to activate it. Monitor your Airtable base over the next few days. Adjust your script as needed based on real-world performance. Document any changes you make for future reference. Finally, review your workflow regularly to ensure it remains clear and efficient. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.